Welcome to another video. Let's solve for all the values of x in this. We're looking at this problem, and if we try to cancel these two according to the rules of indices, we might not get all the roots of this problem. So that is why I think that the first step we should do is by taking the square of both sides. So just to have the whole roots for this problem. And if these two go, we are going to have just only x raised to power 2 minus 13 all raised to power of 2 equals to, here is 144. So then we should expand, by expanding this, we are going to apply the Pascal method. So we have x squared this raised to power of 2 and plus x raised to power of 2. Then we multiply it with negative 13 and the last one, which is a constant, so we say negative 13 raised to power 2, and all this equals to 144. And let's apply the coefficient, which is 1 to 1, and all this 1 to 1, they are derived from the Pascal triangle coefficient, and we are going to apply it to all the three terms that we got. So for the first one, it becomes x raised to power of 4, and we multiply it by 1, so it's still x raised to power 4. Y plus times minus is negative, and to multiply by 13, that is 26. Then x raised to power of 2, while negative 13 squared, that is plus 169. And by transferring 144 here, it becomes negative 144 equals to 0. And 169 minus 144 is 25. So we are going to write it as the next step. We have x raised to power 4 minus 26, x raised to power 2 plus 25. This equals to 0. Alright, the next thing we are going to do is to find, to factorize this. And the best way to do this is, so this negative 26 can be split into minus 1 and minus 25. Then we have x raised to power 4 minus x raised to power of 2 and minus 25 x raised to power of 2 and plus 25, and everything here equals to 0. So but after the final factorization of this, though it's not the total one, the partial factorization of this, we're going to have this result as x squared minus 25 and bracket x squared minus 1. This equal to 0. So you should pause this video and try to expand this. You are going to get what we have above. Then it's either x squared minus 25 equal to 0, or we have x raised to power of 2 minus 1 equal to 0. While for this one is x squared minus 5 squared equal to 0. And since this is difference of the two square, so we have it as it's going to be x minus 5 and x plus 5. This equal to 0. So therefore, the result of this is x equals to plus 5 and negative 5. And we consider this as the two roots for the equations, while x squared minus 1 can also be written as x minus 1 bracket and x plus 1, all this equal to 0. So we come to the conclusion that x equals to 1 or negative 1, which is another two roots for the given equation above. And this makes 4 roots for the equations above. And can I put them in a summary that x1 equals to 5, x2 is -5, and x3 is 1, while x4 equals to -1. And this is how to solve this problem. I hope you learned something today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget the steps I used. Subscribe to this channel and like this video. Never stop learning.